So I stayed in a Hilton hotel for free. So several months ago, Hilton Hotel announced this charity program for Ukrainian people. If you have Ukrainian passport, you have ability to book 5 nights in any Hilton hotel. For this purpose, you had to register on the special website. I think this program is closed already. And if you were really lucky, you can catch nights in some Hilton hotel in Europe. Unfortunately, yeah, you should be very lucky because for Ukrainian people, they made only like 3 rooms per hotel free. So in the first couple of days, everything were already booked. But thanks to my friend who really watched these 3 rooms, trying to catch free room for herself in Warsaw, I catch 2 nights for free in Zagreb. And now let's review the hotel. Okay, so let's start our tour with the bathroom. Here is shower and toilet. I have enough toiletries and towel, another towel, shower gels and shampoos, another towels here, and it's a hair dryer. Now let's go to the room. It's a standard room. Actually, it costs 100 euros per night. I have 2 beds for myself. Guess I'm going to use one this today and this one tomorrow. Why not? Also, I have a huge TV and mirror. Also, I have a teapot and 2 teas, some sugar, and instant coffee. So if you booked yourself on the booking, it will cost you 100 euros per night, but for me it's free thanks to the Hilton Hotel program. And also I forgot to mention that breakfast in this program is free too, because if you book the room on the booking, the breakfast costs extra 15 euros. Now let's review the breakfast. So for the breakfast there are a variety of eggs and meat, some vegetables, fresh and cooked one, some fruits, juices, coffee, dry breakfasts. So basically not so many options if you're vegan and gluten-free. But for me it was nice, I enjoyed it a lot. For those of you who want to stay in the Hilton Hotel and you want to know how is it in the real life, well, it's exactly the same as on the pictures on the website. Everything is very clean, very beautiful. You probably want to know if there are some negative sides in this hotel. For me it's very silly to complain because I'm staying here for free, and honestly I have much joy staying here. But for you, if you're considering paying for this, you should know that. I didn't get bottle of water that is on the pictures on the website. Plenty of towels, but no bathrobe or slippers. After using shower, because there is no door, you should also wash the floor. They have iron, but it's not clear where should I use it because there are no iron board. I also have mini bar, but it's empty. For me it's a plus because I have my own stuff, but for someone it could be inconvenience because if you want some snacks, you should go on the reception and get it there. For the curtains, if you want to close them, they have this system with a stick, but if you're wondering where's the stick from the second curtain, I found it. It's broken. Also, very strange situation happened between me and cleaning service. So usually in other hotels, cleaning service come when you are not in the room. They can see it with your electronic key, if it's inside or outside. So in all other hotels, I never met cleaning service because they always came when I was outside. But in Hilton, for some reason, it's different. It was 9 in the morning, I just woke up, I was taking shower, and someone started insistently knock my door. When I finally answered, who is there? The answer was cleaning service. I said, can you please come in a couple of hours because I am taking a shower. The lady answered, I don't speak English, use Google. Then I left at 11 to film a video about Zagreb. Hopefully you will see this blog soon. I went back at 4 or 5, and if you think my room was clean, no, it wasn't. And also I have all the same towels I had yesterday. But once again, I have no rights to complain, I have everything for free. Thanks a lot to Hilton Hotel, thanks a lot to this program. Now I will show you something more affordable, actually 5 times cheaper. It costs 20 euros per night. It's 30-40 minutes on a tram from the center. So 1 bed, 1 table, and I even have my own bathroom. The shower and toilet. Pretty big difference, huh? I already miss my luxury life in Hilton. If you want more hotel reviews, write in the comments which you prefer, cheap one or expensive one. And if you prefer expensive one, promote my channel and we will get there again. See ya!